What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to change the notification sound on Redmi Note 13R. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on sound and vibration. Now click on notifications and then click on pre-installed ringtones. Now here click on notifications and then here it will show you the list of notification sounds that you can use. So you can also check the preview of the sound by just simply tapping on the sound name, and after choosing, tap on apply and then the sound will be applied. So that's how you can change the notification sound on Redmi Note 13R. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.